Good afternoon, students. Today we will do 3 forms of verb. Okay, today's our topic is 3 forms of verb. 3 forms of verb. Today's our topic is 3 forms of verb. Okay, students, first of all you have to write date and classwork. You have to mention date and classwork in your English notebook. Okay, today's date is 18 and here you have to write classwork. CW means class work. Okay, and which day today? Today is Tuesday. Which day today? Tuesday. TUES DAY Tuesday. Okay, number 1, come. COME come. बेटा वर्ब्स की हमें 3 फॉर्म्स बतानी हैं. कम की जो 2 फॉर्म्स होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं? केम, कम. और जब हम इसको 3 फॉर्म में रीड करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे? कम, केम, कम. कम, COME come. And what is the spelling of came? CAME came. Come, came, come. Come, came, come. Next is do. DO do. Do की क्या होगी सेकेंड फॉर्म? Did. And third form is done. DONE done. Do, did, done. Number 3, go. GO go. Second form of go is went. WENT went. Go, went, gone. GONE gone. बेटा वर्ब की 3 फॉर्म्स होती हैं. Verbs are called action words also. Verb has 3 forms. First form, this one is second form, and last one is third form. First, second, third. Come, came, come. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Okay. Number 4, eat. EAT eat. Eat, ate, eaten. EATEN eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay, students. Number 5, cut. CUT cut. Second and third form will be same. Cut, cut, cut. CUT cut. CUT cut. All the verbs are same. Cut, cut, cut. First form cut. Second form also cut. and third also CUT, cut. Number 6, D, BED. What is the second form of B? The second form of B is was. WAS, was. B was, been. BEEN, been. B was, been. All the students please आप मेरे साथ साथ राइट डाउन करेंगे. Number 7, is clap, CLAP, clap. CLAP, clap. Do you like clapping? Yes. Do clap. CLAP, clap. And what is the second and third form of clap is clapped. CLAPPED, clapped. And the other form also is clap. CLAPPED, clapped. Clap, clapped, clapped. Clap, clapped, clapped. Number 8, win, WIN, win. Second and third form of win will be same. One, WON, WON. And third is also WON, one. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब बेटा जो हेडिंग है उनके नीचे हम क्रेयॉन्स कलर से क्या करेंगे? अंडरलाइन करेंगे. योर राइटिंग शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन and your underline should be straight. Okay, revise again. Repeat with me. Come, came, come. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Eat, ate, eaten. Cut, cut, cut. Be, was, been. Clap, clapped, clapped. CLAP, clap. सेकेंड और थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होंगी क्लैप की? क्लैप, क्लैप्ड. CLAPPED, क्लैप्ड. CLAPPED, क्लैप्ड. क्लैप, क्लैप्ड, क्लैप्ड. विन, WIN, विन. वन, वन, WON, वन. WON, वन. विन, one, one. Okay students, number 9 is have, HAVE, have. Second form of have is had, HAD, had. And third form is also had, HAD, had. Have, had, had. Okay, and last one is number 10, dig, D-I-G, dig. Second form of dig is D-U-G, dug. Second form is D-U-G, dug, and third form also D-U-G, dug. Dig, dug, dug. Okay students, today's your homework is write and learn 3 forms of verb. Okay, thank you.